Hello everyone, I'm Kashish and today I'm going to teach you all about the basics of trigonometric ratios. So, the very first thing that we are going to study is about the paths of a right angled triangle, which are base, perpendicular, and hypotenuse. Then we'll talk about the relationship among the three, which is perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now, the equation h square is equal to p square plus b square is known as Pythagoras theorem. Moving further, you'll be introduced to sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta, and we'll also learn about the trigonometric ratio, which is the sole target we want to achieve in this particular session. Towards the end, you'll be able to find all the trigonometric ratios of a given angle. So basically we have to do quite a lot in just 5 minutes. Therefore, very quickly, let's just get started. As we all know, you have already studied about triangles and in particular right angle triangles in your earlier classes. Therefore, in order to understand trigonometric ratios, let us take a right angled triangle ABC. Here, can you see the angle A, B, and C? It is an acute angle. Okay, now the side located just opposite to it, AC, is known as perpendicular. Okay, and the side AB, which is a part of angle ABC, is known as the base. And side BC, which is located just opposite to the right angle, which is angle BAC, is known as our hypotenuse. Note that the position of the sides changes when you consider angle C in place of angle B. Okay, so in this second case, what are we taking into consideration? Angle A, C, and B. So in this case, our AB will be perpendicular and AC, which is a part of angle AC, and B will be our base. However, the our hypotenuse will remain same, which is BC. Alright, so far so good. Now, let's shift our gravity towards defining certain ratios involving sides of a right angle triangle. Let me tell you, these ratios will express the relationship between the angle and the length of its side. So the very first one we have is sine theta. Sine theta can be expressed as P by H, where P is the perpendicular and H is the hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to B by H, where B is the base and H is the hypotenuse. Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to P by B, where P is the perpendicular and B is the base. Now, interestingly, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta are reciprocal of sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta respectively. Therefore, they can be expressed as H by P, H by B, and cot theta will be expressed as B by P. It is worth noting that the values of the trigonometric ratios does not change with the lengths of the sides of the triangle if the angle remains the same. Now, let us solve a question to understand the things we have read so far more clearly. So, if we are given a question, let's say tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. Can we solve this question now? Yes, of course, because we know how to do it. So, let's start. Tan theta is equal to P by B. Alright, so here P is equal to 4 while B is equal to 3. Now can we solve and bring out the value of H? Yes, of course, because H square is equal to P square plus B square. Here we'll get H square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. Therefore, 16 plus 9. H square is equal to 25, hence H is equal to 5. Now we have the value of h with us. Can we find sine theta? Yes, of course. Sine theta, or it would be better to say sine A, is equal to P by H. So what is the value of P here? 4. So sine A is equal to 4 by 5. Then we have to find cos A. Cos A is equal to B by H. Therefore, the value will be 3 by 5. Tan A we have. So we have to find now cosec A. Cosec A is equal to nothing but reciprocal of what sine A is, 5 by 4. Sec A is equal to 5 by 3 and cot A is equal to 3 by 4. So, wasn't it easy? Of course, it was. Similarly, if we are given. This was all that I wanted to discuss about the basics of trigonometric ratios. I have tried to make this session as lucid as possible. I hope this helped. And on this note, I would like to conclude. Thank you.